$18,000. That is how much Forex took from me. Not in 1 year, not in one account, but it happened slowly, account by account, why I genuinely believed that I was doing everything right. But you see, that's the part most people don't talk about, that it is not the reckless traders who lose the most. It's the ones who are trying, who are paying attention, and who really wants to learn. Yeah, but today I am a funded trader. I have passed multiple prop firm challenges, and I trade with a completely different foundation than when I started. So this all started in 2021. I was here in Abuja, and the traffic, a lady walked up to my car and handed me a flyer. Two words that caught my attention on the flyer was Forex trading. So when I got home, I looked it up, and a few days later, I think in the weekend, I was sitting in the seminar. And listen, the room was so electric that the speakers carried themselves as people who had figured everything out. The profits, screenshots, the testimonials were very, very convincing. And the whole atmosphere made me feel like I've just been introduced to something the average person does not know about. So I walked out of that event all fired up. But here is something I understand now that I did not understand back then. And that is, that event was not designed to educate me, but rather it was designed to excite me. And when you are excited, you move fast. And when you move fast, you skip the foundation. And a skipped foundation in Forex does not cost you grades or certificates, but rather it costs you a lot of money. So fast forward, I opened an account with a broker and I deposited $5,000. But I want you to think for a second. $5,000 based on the energy in the room, not based on a strategy that I have tested, not even based on the understanding of risk, but rather based on how the seminar made me feel. And guess what? That account only lasted few weeks. I didn't just lose trades. I had no framework for why I was losing them. I didn't understand market structure. I didn't understand where my stop losses should go. I just had enthusiasm, and the market charged me greatly for it. And instead of pausing, instead of asking why, I did what most people would do when they lose money they weren't supposed to lose. I tried to get my money back. Someone even offered me a managed account. I just needed to fund it. But guess what? That account got blown too, which led to another deposit, another account, another approach, another person with a new system that was going to work this time. But all of them led to the same result. Account got blown. But I want to be honest with you about what that period felt like, because I don't think traders talk about it enough. It wasn't just the financial pain, it was the embarrassment of knowing you are educated, knowing you are not naive, but you keep ending up in the same place. It was the frustration of putting in a lot of effort but still going backwards. And one evening I sat down and I added up everything, all the deposit, all the loss, all of it, and it was over $18,000. Like, for the first time, I asked myself the real question. Not, is Forex a scam? No, not that question. I asked myself, why am I consistently losing? Because since my losses were consistent, it means the market was following rules. And if the market is really following rules, it means I could learn these rules. And so that question was the beginning of everything that actually changed. I went back to learning. but this time differently. Not chasing content, not buying another course, hoping this one has the new secret. So I walked into a structured trading academy here in Abuja, and what I got there was different from everything that I have consumed before. There, I finally learned why price moves, how institution operates, where they position, and how retail traders get caught in the wrong side of that. I also learned risk management that actually preserves capital instead of slowing down your losses. And guess what? The most important thing I learned had nothing to do with strategy. I learned why I had been losing, specifically, clearly, in a way that I could actually fix. And that understanding, that why, was worth more than every signal, every indicator, every system that I had paid before it. Because you can learn the best strategy in the world, but if you don't understand why your losses are happening, you will keep repeating them. So my trading didn't just transform overnight. It was a gradual and quiet process. And honestly, it was even boring compared to the chaos of before. Except for that, this time I had smaller losses, better decisions, and plans that I could stick to. And eventually, I was able to pass my first prop firm challenge. For context, a prop firm tests your trading over a set period of time. If you hit the performance target, they fund you, you trade their capital, and you keep a share of the profit. And yes, I failed several attempts. I adjusted, I tried again, I adjusted, I kept on trying, then I passed. That moment for me didn't just feel like money. To me, it felt like proof. Proof that the years, the embarrassment, the frustration, the $18,000, it wasn't wasted, but rather it was like a tuition fee. And since then, I have passed multiple challenges. I'm now a funded trader, and I trade from a place of process, not hope. So, what is the real lesson here? Forex is not a scam, but the entry point most people use, the seminars, the hype, the get funded fast content, that part is dangerous. Not because it is lying to you, no, it is because it skips what you actually need. Because trust me, real trading is not glamorous. It is structured, it is patient, and it is the same disciplined process repeated until it becomes a second nature. And like I said in my previous video, is it learnable? Yes, trading is absolutely learnable. So here you have it, the process it took me from where I was to where I am currently. My name is Good Hayes, and this channel, Simple Forex Secrets, was created for one purpose: to make trading easy to understand for everyday people like you and me. And yes, this is everything I wish someone had put in front of me in 2021. And if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon so you do not miss a video when it drops. And if you found this video helpful, share your thoughts in the comment section, leave a like, and until next time, remember, Simple Forex Secrets. Bye-bye.